Welcome to a world of brightness and beauty in home decor. In this video, we'll explore stunning ideas to transform your living spaces into vibrant, inviting, and stylish havens. From fresh color palettes to clever lighting tricks, you'll find inspiration to elevate your home's interior design. One, embrace vibrant color schemes. Brighten your home with cheerful color schemes. Add pops of yellow, turquoise, or coral through accent pillows, throws, or art pieces. Combine these hues with neutral backgrounds like white or beige for a balanced, harmonious look. 2. Natural light is key. Maximize natural light to make your space feel airy and expansive. Use sheer curtains or blinds that let sunlight in, and position mirrors strategically to reflect light throughout the room. Three, choose lighter furniture pieces. Opt for furniture in light wood tones or white finishes. These create a sense of openness and amplify the brightness of your space. For a modern touch, consider metallic or glass accents in your furniture choices. Four, decorate with greenery. Houseplants are a perfect way to bring life and brightness into your home. Place lush, vibrant plants like ferns, snake plants, or succulents in stylish planters. Bonus, they also improve indoor air quality. Five, layer with textures. Incorporate textures like soft cotton, linen, or jute to add warmth and depth. Think woven rugs, textured cushions, or cozy throws to make your space inviting without compromising its brightness. 6. Eye-catching wall art. Decorate your walls with colorful, vibrant artwork or inspirational prints. Large, statement pieces can instantly energize a room while showcasing your personality. Seven, statement lighting fixtures. Brighten up your interiors with bold lighting designs. Pendant lights, chandeliers, or sleek floor lamps can enhance both the ambience and aesthetic appeal of your space. 8. Keep it clutter-free. A clutter-free home always feels brighter. Invest in stylish storage solutions to keep your space organized and visually appealing. Open shelving with minimal decor can also create a chic and airy vibe. Infuse your personal style. Finally, add elements that reflect your personality. Whether it's family photos, travel souvenirs, or DIY crafts, these touches make your home feel uniquely yours. Brightening your home doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, a few small changes can make a big impact. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.